Let me teach you how devices are connected in a network. Whether it is your home Wi-Fi or an office network, the way the devices are arranged are called a network topology. And here is the interesting part. The way a network is arranged can affect its speed, performance, and even security. In this video, I will break down the most important network topologies, which are the star, the ring, the bus, and the mesh topology in a simplest way possible. Let's get started. Now, think of a topology like a layout of roads in a city. How everything is well connected will determine how smooth the traffic will flow. So, what is a network topology? A network topology is the physical or logical arrangement of devices in a network. It shows how devices are connected and also show how data flow between them. Note that physical topology shows how devices are connected, while logical topology shows how data moves in the network. The star topology is the most common and widely used topology. The advantages of using star topology is that it is easy to manage, easy to troubleshoot, and one device failing doesn't affect the others. And the disadvantage of star topology is if the central device fails, the whole network goes down. Next is bus topology. In bus topology, all devices are connected to a single main cable. And the advantages of bus topology is that it is easy to set up and it's cost effective. And the disadvantages of the bus topology are it is difficult to troubleshoot, collision can occur, and if the main cable fails, the entire network goes down. So let's talk about the ring topology. In ring topology, devices are connected in a cycle loop and data travels in one direction. In ring topology, each device passes network to the next until it reaches the destination. The advantages of a ring topology are there is no data collision and it has an organized data flow. And the disadvantages of a ring topology are if one device breaks, it can affect the entire network. And again, it is difficult to troubleshoot. And the last type of topology we'll be discussing is the mesh topology. In mesh topology, every device is connected to multiple other devices, and this makes it possible for data to travel through multiple pathways. We have two types of mesh topology. We have the full mesh and the partial mesh. In full mesh, all devices are connected to other, but in partial mesh, some devices are connected. The advantages of a mesh topology are it is highly reliable, no single point of failure, and it has a high redundancy. And the disadvantages are it is very expensive and complex to set up. Now, a quick comparison of the topologies we just discussed. The star topology uses a central hub, right? Yeah. The bus topology uses a single cable. The ring topology moves in cycle loop, and the mesh topology uses a multiple connection. If this video helped you understand network topology clearly, then subscribe for more cybersecurity and networking content. Thank you and see you in my next video.